Hey guys, what's up? Today it's Tuesday, August the 25th. We dropped the Buick off uh, yesterday. Had a water pump put on it, so we got that taken care of. Picking it up, and I'm dropping off the 89 Ranger. Go ahead and get the tune-up done on it. We're going to have the plugs, plug wires, um, valve cover gaskets. You're going to have them clean mass airflow, clean the fuel injectors, just a basic tune-up on it. Like I've said before, guys, she gets down the road and cruises, pretty good. But if you go to step on the gas, like if you're going to pull out to pass somebody or start up an incline, a hill or something, it kind of sputters a little bit and wants to kind of lose power. So it's probably going to be something in the plugs and wires. I've never had that stuff replaced on this truck, so and I've had this truck for several years now, probably getting close to, I don't know, 8 or 9 years, and I've never really done anything to it tune-up wise. So we're going to do that and see how it does. We're going to get the Buick and head home in it, see how it does. Like I said, we got the new water pump put on it. Should be good to go. Anyway, guys, we'll get this, drop it off. It may be here for 2 or 3 days or so. He's got I think the mechanic said he had a motor swap to do, an engine swap for somebody. So anyway, we're here in Huntington at the Reynolds Automotive Repair Fuel Station here in Huntington, Tennessee. But anyway, so we may have to sit here. That's fine. I don't drive it that much. So either way, we're going to drop it off. I got all the parts inside. If we pick it up, we'll get another video and see how she's doing then. Guys, thanks for watching and have a great day.